Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our trainer will cover the reasons and benefits of creating your own products. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Are you planning to start an online business? If so, you've probably spent time researching for the best business models out there. The most popular one might be affiliate marketing. Basically, you try to build an email list by creating freebies known as lead magnets. Attach those lead magnets to your email opt-in page, send traffic to it, and voila, you're good to go, right? Well, if you've tried it yourself, you've probably noticed that it doesn't seem to be effective at all. The reason? Because of freebie seekers. These are people who have no intention of engaging with you. They're just there to collect your gifts. Freebie seekers give out junk emails, which they only use for collecting promotional materials from different businesses. Sadly, this has led to declining email open rates, around 4 to 5%, generating zero sales. Even worse, all their time, effort, and resources in creating a lead magnet, landing page, and driving traffic was just a giant waste. Tragic, isn't it? Yet, this is the reality that happens every day, and ultimately, the end of about 95% of aspiring internet marketers. But how about the 5% who succeed in IM? What's their secret? The answer: they're creating and selling products of their own. The thing is, when you sell your own products, you'll be able to build a special kind of list. This is called a buyer's list. A buyer's list is a list of real people with real email addresses with real intentions. These are people who are serious about learning and improving something, and regularly pull out their credit cards to purchase something they'll actually use. Besides list building, product creation gives you another advantage. You control your profit. This means that sales revenue is all yours. And if you're paying affiliates to help you with a product launch, you can choose how much to share them. Either way, you have complete control. Another unique advantage of having commission-based affiliates is that JVs equals free traffic. Think about it. You'll pay them only when they create a sale. This means you avoid the risks that are usually involved in paid display ads or solo ads. When you allow affiliates to help you drive sales, you let them find a way to generate traffic to your offer. Genius, right? Finally, creating and selling products is second to none when it comes to building credibility. In a market full of self-proclaimed gurus and celebrity marketers, credibility is integral, for it affects a number of things. Firstly, it serves as the basis on whether people will actually buy your products or not. Secondly, it affects how people recognize you as a brand and drive them to open your emails. Lastly, it reinforces your ability to recruit affiliates and JV partners. Still, you might be hesitant if product creation is really worth pursuing. If so, try looking through your inbox. See how the top internet marketers are doing it right now. Finding a successful marketer without their own products is basically slim to none. So, if they're doing it, why shouldn't you? But don't worry, it's actually easier than you think. But first, let's examine the types of products that you can create. We'll take a look at those next.